Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Chloe Brown, and if you're new here, welcome. I'm so happy that you're here. Please hit that subscribe button down below and that little bell notification if you want to be notified every single time that I upload. So today I am going to be doing another blow dry hairstyle, but this one is just really versatile. So I'm going to show you a hairstyle that lasts for days, that you can do top knots or clips or whatnot. You can part it down the middle, part it on the side, and kind of do that flip back and forth kind of thing. I love that type of hairstyle. So it's just very movable, airy. Can your hair be airy? I don't know, but it feels like it can. Just where like if the wind flows through your hair, it just still looks so good. So that is the hairstyle I'm going to show you guys today. Without further ado, let's get right into the tutorial. Whew, just got out of the shower, did my makeup. We are going to do a blow dry tutorial, and I'm going to try something a little different. My hair is it's still very wet. I just had it in a towel for far too long while I was doing my makeup. So I'm gonna put some shine spray back into my hair. And the shine spray I'm gonna use today is the Kevin Murphy Shimmer Me Blonde. I really like this stuff because it is a purple tint, so it kind of contradicts the yellow that's already in my hair. And it smells so good, and it just kind of gives that like tiny bit of sheen that I love. Which also helps is the Paul Mitchell Super Skinny Serum. This stuff is great for humidity. I don't know, I've used this stuff since the very beginning. It's great. I can't rave enough about it. It definitely helps smooth down the hair, and it is perfect for summertime. So I like to bring that mostly on my ends. I don't bring it on my top very much, but I do bring it where I have my blonde. All right now, and I'm just gonna brush all that out. I start at the ends of my hair and brush up because your hair is the most fragile when it is wet. Now what I'm going to do when my hair is like this is I'm just going to run the blow dryer through just to get my roots really dry, and then we're going to go in with some round brushes and finish off the look. The blow dryer I'm going to use today is my Croc IC Premium blow dryer. And if you guys are looking to get a new blow dryer, I do have a 30% off code for this, and that is code Chloe30, and I'll put the link to the blow dryer down below. Okay, so I'm gonna take the 43mm round brush from Croc. This one I would say is probably my favorite size for short hair. It really is perfect. It's versatile. You can make it super curly or kind of smooth it out. I definitely like these round brushes. I've used a lot of round brushes, and let me just tell you, there is definitely a difference. Some round brushes pull your hair. These do not pull my hair at all. And the grip is so easy to manage. So that's usually what I look for in a round brush all the time, is the grip. There are some round brushes out there where it's just like, sometimes they have designs on the handle and it like scratches my hand. I can't stand that. And a lot of times brushes do pull my hair. So this one does not. I love it. So for the first bottom layers, I'm just gonna round brush my hair down, and on the top I'm gonna try something a little different. I'm gonna be trying to curl my hair with my round brushes today. So we're just gonna add that fun movement into the hair without using a curling iron. So let's do this. Okay, now that we have this bottom section pretty much done, it has that curl under, it kind of has a lot of body, a lot of movement to it. Forgive my flyaways. These aren't flyaways, but I feel like they are, but it's just my undercut growing back. Now I'm gonna take a smaller round brush, the size 33, and we are just gonna take it, and I will show you exactly what we're gonna do with it. Now, I'm gonna use a different technique with my blow dryer today, and what that is I'm gonna heat up my hair, make sure that the curl is exactly where I want it. I'm gonna cool it down with the cool setting on the blow dryer. You can either click this button or you can press the heat all the way down to cool and it'll stay there so you don't have to press the button. And yeah, let's get going. So I'm gonna be curling away from my face and then towards my face, away from my face, and then towards my face. I'm gonna put some music over this section because who likes to listen to a blow dryer? Put my brush in there. I'm gonna curl it just like that away from my face, like if you were to curl it with a curling iron. All right, so there's that section. I'm gonna split my hair in the middle and then curl this top section so everything goes away from my face in the front. Let me tell ya, I'm pretty sweaty. This is how it came out. Now, not as curly as I expected it to be. I honestly think that's because I don't have the patience to blow dry my hair. I am so hot and it is 90 degrees outside. But, I mean, I love this. I think I just need to flat iron some pieces so I don't feel so matronly. I mean, but this is gorgeous. So much body and no product in there whatsoever, no teasing, no nothing. So, I mean, this is a very good work hairstyle. You know what I mean? Professional. I'm just more playful. So, I'm going to take my new classic flat iron from Croc. This is the infrared one. I swear by this thing. I mean, I use it every single day without a doubt. Put on the infrared right here and I put it to 350. I'm just going to go on the underneath part. I think it's just the length of my hair, honestly, right now. It just curls way too far under when I curl it under. So I'm just gonna flat iron just these bottom pieces so it's not so curly, but I still want that bounce. I'm gonna take this piece right here and just flat iron it. The same curl that it does have, but just make it go back a little easier. Curling away from my face right there. And then down here, I'm going to curl it away, but try to flatten out those ends just a little bit. Okay, that already makes me feel so much better on that side. So now, I'm going to curl away from my face on this side too, and flatten out these ends. All right, now I'm going to add some tease. Add just a little bit of tease right here, just a little bit in the front. Push it on back. Brush out the top layer of your tease. Now, I like big hair. You guys know I love the big hair. So tease it to your preference. And my favorite product right now that I like using for hairspray and texture spray is this. This is the Sexy Hair Texture Hairspray, and this is High Tide. So it's a hairspray and texture spray in one. I really, really like the finish of it. Okay, I want this to be like a movement type of hairstyle. So I am gonna brush through the ends just to get that movement back in there. All right, so this hairstyle wasn't exactly how I envisioned it, but I do really like this. It'll last a couple days for sure. And it's a really good hairstyle if you want to do a top knot or something like that. It just has that bit of movement in the front. Isn't that cute? Yeah, this is the perfect top knot hairstyle. And it's one of those hairstyles where you can like do this, you know, just like if you want to play around with your hair, if it's hot outside. I love touching my hair, so I love throwing it to the side, I don't like anything being too stick to my head, wear it one-way hairstyle. I definitely like flopping it back and forth. So, all right guys, thank you so much for watching this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. Try it at home. Let me know how you liked it. I'm excited to see how my hair is gonna look in a couple days. I definitely think a top knot is in my tomorrow future, or just some fun clips. So, thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video.